How to record a video snap. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to record a video snap. For this, open the Snapchat app. Now you can see the big white button, right? Hold it down to record. No taps, just press on it like this. Want longer? Just keep holding. But maximum is 60 seconds, so make it snappy. Just hold on and record your video. And once you record a video, you can add the musics from here. Tap on this music icon, and just add the music from here. Now you can add text from here. Okay, add whatever text you wanna add, or you can trim the video from here. Just adjust it like this, and once you adjust it, tick mark it. And once you are done, tap on the send button, and here you can add it to your story or you can send it to your friends. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.